Hello guys, it's me again, KYM39, aka Handsome Kiyama. Okay, that was the difference in the video of a woman whose face I swapped with an old woman's. It's pretty close to perfect for a free tool. Let's get straight to the step-by-step instructions. But first, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. First, open your browser and go to superwork.ai. After that, you can sign up or log in. Although you can use this tool without logging in first, by registering here, you can get 30 free silver tokens or coins every day, which you can use to generate points in each tool. After that, click on the AI Tools panel. Then click AI Video Face Swap. Now, in this section, you can upload the video you want to replace the face with. There are also several video templates available for you to use. You can upload the replacement face you want to use here, or you can also use the face templates provided there. There are 3 quality options, or models, available here. The HD 1080 model is only available for premium members. Free members can use Model 1.0 and Model 2.0, which is still in beta. Interestingly, if you use HD or 1080 video, there is no loss in quality in the resulting video. This is likely more about the face swap results, not the overall video. Let's try Model 1.0 first. Now, another advantage is that we can use this tool for free twice a day without having to register, with each video no longer than 60 seconds. Okay, let's try Model 1.0. We got a processing time of 188.2 seconds for a 28-second video. That's about 3 minutes, which is pretty fast for a free tool. But we'll see the results later. Here are the results, and pretty good. Okay, next, let's try Model 2.0, still using the same material. Let's get straight to it. And here are the results. Model 2.0 is better in my opinion, even though it's still in beta. What do you think? Which one is better? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Okay, that was a little information about the face swap tool from Superworks. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.